Hey Shape, so I'm here to give you your home workout with your laundry bag. Quick tip, if you want to make this more challenging, don't do your laundry for about a week, let it fill up, and then get into this workout. We're going to use the laundry bag as a kettlebell, so we're going to swing the laundry bag. Most important, first things first, just as if I was to teach this with the kettlebell movement, we're going to use the ballistics of the bell to get your heart rate up and to engage the posterior chain, really train those glutes and those lats and the core. You're gonna basically just lean over your laundry bag and come back up. We're gonna do this as a light warm-up, and this is so good after sitting. So if you've been sitting for a while, those hamstrings are locked up, you haven't used the posterior chain, the glutes are dormant, you're gonna do this and then you're gonna bring your hands overhead and do a couple of more. If this feels good, stay in it for a little longer, but we are about to start. We're gonna grab and grip this laundry bag. So it's nice because you get to work those grips, not just typing, and you're gonna let it go left and right. So from here, you're gonna hip hinge, means butt out like you're closing the door behind you. You should already feel those muscles. Don't overarch up and don't look down, look right in front of you. Shoulders pull in, and we're gonna swing. And notice how with the laundry bag, we're this odd object in a sense because it's not the kettlebell. I'm just shifting right hand and left hand over and over. And what I'm doing is allowing this bag to swing back, and I'm squeezing the glutes, the butt muscle at the top of the movement, which is shoulder level and back, shoulder level and back, shoulder level and back. Okay, breathe for a second. Let's do that 10 more times together and move into our clean and squat. So hip hinge, 10 more good swings. 10, 9, 8, squeeze the glutes each time. 7, 6, 5, make yourself work. 4, abs tight. 3, same as the kettlebell swing. 2, and 1. I'd like a heavier bag, so I think I have to be a little lazier this week and do less laundry. All right, right here, we're going to go ahead and clean this up. You can do this with a sandbag as well in the gym. Deep squat down, swing back, hip hinge, clean it up, knee bend. So we're working quad dominant and hip dominant movements. This is my third one and I'm going in for 10. So this is 4. Notice the pace, back, squeeze the glutes, fix this. 5, pushing the knees apart on the way down in that squat. 6, smile. 7, glutes, quads and glutes, the whole back's working too. 6, heart rate should be coming up. And 5, if it's not, put some more laundry in that bag. 4, and 3, 2 and 1, guys. 2, right up, and last one will be 1. Let's fix this guy overhead now. So you're gonna do that nice overhead movement. You can grip it or just stabilize. Pull those shoulders back. So right away, you're offsetting that sitting posture, sitting those shoulder blades together. We're gonna alternate rear lunges for 8. So down, 1. You can touch the knee to the ground, 2, but don't rest. 3, don't overstep back. And keep this in front of you. 4, shoulder blades pull together, abs stay tight. 5, look forward. 6, don't look down like you do all day. 7, at your phone, at your dog. 6, and 5, that's 8. I just miscounted. We did 8. I promise. So from here, we're going to continue this motion as we come down into kneeling, and we're going to side sit up down. Side sit up. Look at this. This stays overhead. Lots of work in the shoulder and abs. Don't move that laundry bag, so nothing moves here. Sit up. So everything's fixed. Straightening the shoulder. Now we're working the obliques and abs. Glutes as well as you squeeze. Driving through the heel, that's 1. We have 3 more. Down all the way. Side sit up on the other side. I commonly teach this in my kettlebell classes, online and in my programs, right? And it's so total body. It covers all bases. Other side, we have 2 more to go. And it really teaches the body how to move around each articulation. So we're also working mobility, which is nice. Don't let those arms fall. If you're doing this correctly, you should be very challenged right now, especially in the upper body, which is feeling it quite a bit. Good, so that was number 4. And we're gonna continue with 5 overhead sit-ups. So 5, look forward and smile. Open up the chest to the world. 4, Forward and smile. And 3. Forward and smile. 2 outside. And 1. Now press 1. Down. Press 2. Overhead. That means the arms don't move. You work on the arms. Press. And this is our 4th press. And we're doing 8 total. 5. Slow. 6. 7. I know the arms have had it. And 8. Awesome. Down. Roll it up. And come up to center. All right, we're not done yet. So we did a lot of hip hinging, which is awesome. Lots of knee bending, and we did this overhead fix, and of course the push. So we have to pull now. Now pulling is going to be interesting because the heavier you can fill this, the more pulling work you can get. You can take virtually anything. You're going to hip hinge down in this rowing position. Pretend that I put a hop of scalding coffee or tea on your back, so it's very much pulling back and keeping it straight, not here, but here. Grabbing that very heavy load of laundry. If you get your roommate's laundry, your boyfriend's, your family's, whatever, stack it up. And 8, 7, pulling, 6, 5, 4, keep the glutes tight, abs tight, 3, 2, pull, and 1, and put that down. So pulling muscles, those are commonly worked in your pull-ups. You can still use them if you're taking a load and it's just basically pulling outward this way. So a really good one. We have 1 more to go, and it's going to be a really fun progression. So I want to add a deadlift with a little bit of a twist. So coming back into your plank and holding for a second, sliding back to your low plank. 3, 2, 1. Plank push-up up. If you can't do it, just alternate 1 and 2. Step up, that's hip mobility. You need this, so make sure that foot and that arm are in line, and step up right here and lift. Deadlift this up. Squeeze the glutes like you're pulling an anchor from the water. Abs tight, back down, step. Boom. Just 4 of these. Slide. Okay, breathe. Modification. 1 to the other. Hold, hold, hold. Abs are working the whole time. Opposite foot steps up. That's my left. Good hip mobility here. And right here, pulling that deadlift, and right back. 2 more. If you love it, double it up. Do this whole workout again for a second round, right? You can make this a circuit, and you can continue this circuit 3 or 4 times over for a longer total body burn using basically a bag of laundry. Step up and pull. Good. 4, just deadlifts. 1. Notice the deadlift is the hip going back first. 2, 3, and 4. Time back. So enjoy the workout. Hopefully you got something out of it.